Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Job Science, a YouTube channel. And then today's all of the jobs are from Qatar, and all of them are local jobs as well. And only those people can apply for these jobs who are Qatar nationals and who are living in Qatar these days for job purposes and want to change their job or who are jobless can apply for these jobs. So first of all, I'm going through my job list today. Female staff wanted part time, receptionist job in Qatar, sales lady needed in Qatar, interior fit out joinery works, senior technician soil and aggregate, then mechanical turbine technician job, site supervisor required in Qatar, cleaners wanted in Qatar, and bike driver job in Qatar. So before starting the details of all of the jobs, please subscribe my channel and like all my videos and hit the bell icon as well. And if you are visiting my channel for the first time, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon as well for all of the latest updates. I thank you all. And then let's start with the details of all of the jobs. The first job today is female staff wanted part-time. The job is for the females and it's a part-time job, by the way, and they need sales, cleaning, stewards, secretaries, and teachers, but all of them are females. Employment type is part-time, and if you are interested and want to apply for the job, please send your CV at the following given email address, and you can contact them through this email address for the if you want to get the further informations about the job. Next job is a receptionist job in Qatar. Contracting company is looking for receptionist responsibilities. They didn't mention the job is for the females or the males, but I think so both the gender can apply for this job. So the responsibilities of the receptionist are answer, record, and process all tenants' calls, messages, requests, questions, complaints, and take appropriate actions. So the person who is going to become the receptionist have the following duties: that he need to attend the calls, record the calls, and process them accordingly. If they have any complaints, then he has to solve the things and do some appropriate actions for the complaints. And then coordinate with the maintenance department, supply tenants with directions and information regarding property, welcome and acknowledge all tenants according to the company standards. Then, according to the company standards, anticipate and address guest service needs, assist individual with disabilities. And you have to assist the individuals who have some disabilities as well in a very good way. And at the end, you have to thank all of the guests with the genuine appreciation. And if you are interested for the jobs, then contact them. Share your CV at the following email address: my4dcreations@gmail.com. This is their email address, and you need to share your CVs if you are interested in that receptionist job. They didn't mention the gender for the receptionist, so both male and female can apply for the job. Then sales lady needed in Qatar. Once again, the job is for the females. So we are hiring sales girls for a leading bakery shop in Qatar. The company is a bakery shop, and the position name is sales girl for a bakery shop. Location is Garafa, and duties: attend customers, arrange items, salary negotiable. The duty for the sales ladies are they have to attend the customers, and then according their demand she needs to arrange the items as well. And as far as salaries is concerned, so they have mentioned this thing that they will negotiate with you on in obviously with an interview with you. And the benefits in the job, that they are going to give you accommodation, transport provided by the company. So these were the benefits in this job. And the nationality in which they are interested: Filipinos, Indians, and Nepalis. They are interested in these three Asian nationalities. Visa status should be NOC with transferable visa and valid QID. आपके पास Qatar identity card you will be with you, NOC, special NOC with transferable visa with you as well. Kindly email or WhatsApp your CV with your recent photograph. Your CV must have your recent photograph, and you need to share your CV at the following WhatsApp number or at the given email address. You can share your CV, and that the CV must have the photograph as well, and please email them or WhatsApp them. You have both the options, and you can contact them for the details as well. The job is for sales lady, by the way. And then the next job is interior fit out joinery works. Place Doha, Qatar. The company is needing urgently looking for interior fit out and joinery works. The job description for the interior fit out, detailed shop drawing for mainly joinery and interior fit out. Interior fit out works. This job is basically for the wooden things in within a house. Within a house, whatever the wooden things is made, like the cupboards, like the tables, like any other structure within the house, the place below the staircase. But whatever they are going to make, it is of wood, right? So detailed and fabrication drawing for carpentry and joinery fit out works, like for example consoles. And console is it's a type of a table that that is fitted with the wall, and it has only front two legs. So consoles, for the making of the consoles, for the making of the vanity basins. So this interior fit out and joinery works, all of the things with the have to work with this, with the wooden work and the beautification of the house. Spot details for every joint point as required for production, altering drawings as per site conditions, 5 to 6 years experience. This is very important to note. Obviously, these things are very intricate. The job of fit out and the joinery are very, very intricate and very, it requires hand-eye connection. It requires detailed attention. So, person who is going to apply for this job, please must have an experience of at least 5 to 6 years and above. So, and other than these things, the person must have Qatar ID as well, and transferable visa as well, and can work immediately. Local hire only, Doha, that I have already mentioned this thing, that only locals can apply for this job. Interested candidates may send their CVs at the following given email address. So if for the further details, if you are interested in the job, you can contact them for further details as well. But if you are interested, to share your CV at the following email address: Senior Technician Soil and Aggregate. So we are currently in need of a senior technician with experience in soil and aggregate testing. Must be experienced in a material testing laboratory. This is basically plant physiology lab, and you person who have to work with the soil and the aggregate and material testing laboratories are important for this, as everyone have to work out in the specific labs with the specific apparatus needed. And the person who is going to apply for this job must have an experience of about 5 years, and must be in Qatar as well. Degree in which they are interested must have bachelor's degree in the discipline, in the specific soil and aggregate discipline. And the candidate also have QID and NOC. So if you are interested in the job, so share your CV, submit your CV at the following email address, and through this email you can contact them and get the further details as well if you are interested in knowing the things. And then the next job is mechanical turbine technician job. So candidates, we are looking for mechanical turbine technicians with at least 2 years experience. So who is going to apply for the job means the technician must have an experience of 2 years at least in power plants, desalination plants. So job time is full time but temporary job. Although the job is of full time, but the nature is temporary, it's not a permanent job. And so if you are interested and you are doing nothing and you have an experience in power plants as well, desalination as well, then in that case you can apply for the job. You can get further experience as well. And if you are doing nothing, then it's a better option to have some temporary job at least. So interested candidates, please send your CV and the following given email address, and at the you are also provided with the email address, so you can share your your CV at the give email address as well. So for further details, I think you can contact them by sending them the text to them, and if you are interested in it. Then site supervisor required in Qatar. Bachelor's degree in engineer, site supervisor. The job is of site supervisor, and the qualification in which they are interested: bachelor's degree in engineering and electrical mechanical building, minimum 10 years of experience, and must be able to lead a team and be hands on to troubleshootings, able to work independently and has good follow up process to ensure customer satisfaction, and a good command in written and spoken English, able to do report writing, must be locally available in Qatar, and has transferable NOC and complete documents for transfer. Salary ranges between 6,000 to 6,200 QAR. The job is of site supervisor, and who has a great command on English written and spoken both, can write the reporting as well, and have the NOC and QID as well, along with other details. So if you are interested, please forward your CV in Word format. Your CV should be in Word, and register to our company website, www.ssrqatar.com. Please mention in the subject line the position you applied for. Okay, so they have mentioned their email address as well, but they have their website as well. You can go there, and on the site you can apply online as well, but your CV should be in Word format. Do not forget this. Your CV should be in Word format. Cleaners wanted in Qatar. We are looking for cleaning people urgently. Any nationality people can apply. So the cleaner's job is there. So if you are doing nothing these days and you are in a search of jobs, that's a very good chance. You can apply for the job, and any nationality can apply. And the another flexibility in the job is that anyone can apply for this job who is in need of job and who are doing nothing these days. And the salary, they have mentioned that the salary is attractive, and also give the overtime NOC with QID. The most important thing, everyone over there, if you want to have a prestigious status in the other countries, then you must have the country's NOC and QID as far as Qatar is concerned. And in other countries, obviously, they have their other they have other things which you must have to have a prestigious job there. So as far as Qatar and all other Middle East countries are concerned, they are labor friendly, and they have a very strict rule labor laws. And so obviously, whatever the salary could be, but labor laws should be very labor friendly, and obviously they are going to help you. Then bike driver job in Qatar. I wanted experienced bike drivers for food delivery for a food delivery shop. So they serve Philippines food. Any nationality can apply. So if you are interested and you are doing nothing, so then it's a good job. And please contact them. They have mentioned a number at the end. Share your CV, or you can call them for further details, as the person have their own bike, or the company is going to provide you the bike, the petrol. So they didn't mention things like this. So you can contact them through this number. So that was my last job. I am hoping that there is something for you as well. And inshallah ta'ala, we will meet again in the next video. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.